Good morning, everyone. Yeah, your girl looks a little rough this morning. I need to brush my teeth so I can get out of this bathroom and go toward the front of the house. Now, your girl has been in the bed the last couple of days. For those who don't know, I had a spinal injury, and every blue moon. Well, I ain't gonna say blue moon. I'm not gonna lie about that. Every now and then, it wants to act a donkey with your girl, and I'm telling you guys, when it decides to act a donkey, pain is not even a word. It's beyond pain. So now that I can move today and I'm feeling pretty good, I have to get up and make sure the front of the house is straight because the repairman is coming today, I remembered. And he is going to fix the dishwasher. My husband some kind of way broke the door on the soap dispenser, so I'm getting another soap dispenser put in on the dishwasher. So the repair guy is coming for that. So I need to make sure I'm looking decent and the front of my house is looking decent. So if you just bear with me, guys, finna brush these fangs. You didn't want to see me washing my face because I ain't looked too good this morning. My hair was, Lord, if you'd seen my hair this morning when I got up from being in the bed for 2 days, looking like I didn't belong on this planet. But I do feel better. Now, my plan is one day to bring you guys in this bathroom and show you what I use to clean my face. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff going on in this bathroom, and I think it'd be pretty cool to share a morning routine with you guys. My niece told me, I call her my big little niece, because this child will be 13 next month, and she stands here on me. Yeah. Over my head. Yeah. 13. And my niece asked me, excuse the shakiness, she asked me, why haven't I shared my morning routine? See, because I have my bin here for face, and I have one for feet, body. This here I need to empty this one because I finally got my bin in for it. Empty this one. I think this is face. Put it in its bin. No, this is feet. Put it in its bin and have all my white bins here. Get my shelf organized. So I think that's going to be another video where I get all the bins correct here in my bathroom. Get them labeled appropriately because I had labels made. I'm thinking about having the labels made a little bigger and put the ones she made me on the front because they're small, because I wanted to say, face, body, feet on them when you see them. So I think I'm going to get them a tad bit bigger. So now we're going to walk out this bathroom. I am not showing you my bedroom. Not today. Cut the light off for a minute so it's going to get a little dark. But my bedroom is not a visitor's territory today. Yeah. Like I said, I've been in the bed for a couple of days, and this house is a mess. But, guys, I'm getting this camera. But what I did do is my husband did help me clean the kitchen Friday night, because I was feeling kind of bad Friday night. So he said, well, let's do this together. He washed all the dishes. I did the countertops, and I need to run the broom across the floor this morning, I see. But I'm going to show you my kitchen. It's clean. It's clean for the most. I need to move those cups right there. Those are cups we kind of drink out of every day, so I kind of leave them right there. And then the pitcher, I need to make some more tea and put it in the refrigerator. But the counters are clean. And I do need to work on my fall coffee station. That's something I do need to work on. Well, I'm waiting on some things to come in that I ordered for the coffee station to make it a little easier for me. That should be in, I think, this week. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure. But I do need to make a trip to Walmart today. I was gonna go this morning, but I remember the repair guy was coming by this morning. I still need to make a trip to the ATM though. What time is it? It's 10:24, and he said he was coming between 12 and 2. I could still, but that only gives me, 11? That only gives me like an hour and 20 minutes. So I'd have to run to Walmart. Wouldn't get a chance to really look like I want to look for stuff. But I do need to go to the ATM. I need to pay this man in cash. Is there something in my shoe? Still need to run this broom across this floor. Now the room, guys, that I'm going to show you. This is just real life, guys. Real life. Okay? Now here is the family room. Yeah, this is real life. It hasn't been cleaned since Thursday, I think, because I made that video. Yeah, I think it was Thursday. I made a video over there, and I wasn't feeling good, so you see why my mess is still there. And then I see my husband killed a bug and didn't even clean it up. Really, you know I hate bugs. But this room needs some touching up this morning. Now, my fall flowers over there, they're going to stay there on that table because I have to make a wreath, and I don't want to put them up and have to come back and pull them out. Now, my bins right there, I am going to move those because that's just ugly right there. And then clean off my husband's table there. I don't know what all that crap is, but I'm going to throw some of that crap away and get this room back together. Now, only thing is, guys, is like the chairs are outside there in here because, well, basically this box here, the long one, is replacement parts for the gazebo out back. So the two small ones. Well, you know, it was a windstorm here one day back a while here in Houston. And I believe it was Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner that showed her gazebo where the wind had took it and just tore it up. Well, yeah, it picked mine up and bounced it on top of the house. It bent the two back legs and then tore the canopy. So that's the canopy, and the replacement parts that got bent are in there in that long box. So the gazebo in the back, my husband said he's going to take it apart. He's not going to put the new pieces on. He's going to take it apart and throw away the broke parts and put it in the garage for now. Because it's, we're not sure what we're going to be doing, if we're going to be moving or if we're going to be staying. But I'm going to take you guys back and let you see what I am talking about with this gazebo. Yep. You know your girl's scary. Okay. Here's my gazebo. Yeah. Yeah. And this thing is heavy. And I cannot turn it myself. And my husband and I can't do it ourselves. We have to get help. So, that's the gazebo. So, that's why I didn't do the outside decor in the back. Because the gazebo is jacked up. So, if you give me a minute, I'm going to start cleaning this front room trying to get my family room looking at least half decent. Oh, and that bag on the floor there. I'm going to do something to surprise my husband and my father. What I plan on doing is that, church men, they always got to have handkerchiefs. So I'm going to embroidery their initials in different colors, of course, on the handkerchiefs. Let me show you the colors. Maybe that would make more sense. Give me a minute, guys. I know you're saying this girl and this dog on camera. Yeah, I know. It's getting on my nerves. Okay. Now, I ordered some handkerchiefs from Amazon. I got these with the little line in them. I thought they were nice. I got 2 packs of handkerchiefs. And the handkerchiefs, I think it's a 12 pack. Both of them have 12, I believe it is. This one is odd. It says 13. When have you ever done a 13? Never heard of that, but hey, but baker's dozen, I guess. And then here's a 12 pack. So I got those handkerchiefs. And what I plan on doing, guys, is we bought my mom an embroidery machine one year for Christmas. She's never used it because since then we found out she had dementia. And messing with that machine is not something she's able to do right now. So as you see here, this color here is a chocolate brown. So I got brown. I got this blue. This is sort of a taupe color. This green. My husband has a shirt with these stripes in it. That's why I got that color. This right here is black. This one here is a coral color. Coral. He loves coral. He has a shirt that color and a tie. Teal. This is my favorite color. He has a shirt striped that color and ties. This is a pink color, like a fuchsia. He has a shirt that's pink, and I think the tie is like I don't want to say flowers. I want to say paisley or something, but it has the fuchsia pink in it. This is more of a mustard yellow or gold. And this one here is a burgundy. And then here is a purple. Okay, I'm going to embroider the CAW at the bottom like my mom always did when she makes a quilt. But I'm going to put the little butterfly for the logo for Creatively Miss Me. I'm going to put it under her CAW. So I'm going to fix my grandbaby's quilts. And in the midst of doing all this, learning how to do this before my mom forgets. And I plan on trying to make my new nephew a quilt. He's 6 months old now, I think. Yeah. I think that's how he is. He's 6 months old. So that makes Kason should be almost a year old, I think. I need to check on that. So, anyway, I plan on making my nephew, my new nephew, my brother's baby. I'm going to try to include a pretty picture of my little Benjamin on the screen when I do this. But I want to make Benjamin a quilt and put the CAW on there like my mom always does all her grandkids. And send him that I can have her take that quilt either for Christmas or either mail it up there beforehand. And so my brother and my sister-in-law would be outdone that my mom, was able to do a blanket, but it will be me. But I would say it's from her because I'm going to have her pick out the pattern that we're going to use on her machine. Now, her machine, we could upload any image that she wants to do, and it'll do it. So, it make it easy on her. I can get it done. Okay, so now, been babbling long enough. Yeah, babbling. And I need to get this family room cleaned up. I need to get it cleaned up. I want to spend no more than 20 minutes in here. I really want to spend 20 minutes in here, actually. Okay, guys, it's break time. If you know what this is, let me know down below. I'm pretty sure most of you know who these characters are, what show this is. My mom called, so it's break time. And I'm almost finished with this family room. All I need to do is sweep and run the mop over it. But hey, break time. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is the cleanest it's going to get. I swept, I ran the mop over. I need to get that broom from over there. But the family room is normally a well-lived-in room. So I did get this area straight after I finished watching my stories. So I just wanted to give you guys an overview of my family room after I did the little quick cleanup. So guys, if you like my content, you know what to do, guys. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below on the screen as well as in the description box down below. And as always, my creatives, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thanks for watching, and you guys be blessed.